First of all, they are not getting support from the company. Listing, property, advertisement, how to start work, how to close the deal, how to close off plan, what is secondary, what is off plan.
Hello, Mr. Hussein. What is in your mind today?
Start with the name of the God. So, guys, if you want to start this industry, definitely start with passion, start with not for money, and start with your mind. Like, have to be a rich person or succeed person in like whatever the goals you have. I can achieve my goals. If you come to Dubai and if you want to achieve your goals, then join real estate and join the industry which they always support to you, which they give you proper support. So mostly people, they will go for the industry but they cannot succeed. The reason why, first of all, they are not getting support from the company. Listing, property, advertisement, how to start work, how to close the deal, how to close off plan, what is secondary, what is off plan. So this type of things is not make a succeed person in this industry. So just choose the right company and none of the person can beat you. Stay tuned for more video.